All right, so here we have the ASMAX F1 single communication system. Off the bat, just looking at the box from the outside, honestly, it is premium in regards to the presentation. As you can see here, the box or the system comes with the ASMAX SMC mesh system, intelligent voice commands, up to 10 people mesh at 1.8 kilometer range, intelligent noise cancellation, dual chip octa-core, the ASMAX World app, which I currently have on my phone, 50-minute fast charging, and personalized LED lighting. So that's kind of the stuff that you have straight out of the box. And let's just go ahead and slide this open. So like I said, off the bat, you have kind of, really, it's a premium presentation. Let's get this open. Shove that there. So this is the comms unit right here. And just taking a quick look at that. Honestly, I have to say that's pretty good. Solid foam there. So that's nice. So we'll take that out and we'll just rest it up there. Inside the box, let's grab this out. We'll pull tab. Nothing else? Okay. Inside the box, you have, I guess, another box that is going to have all these goodies. So you're going to have your quick start guide. Okay, straightforward. Honestly, I have to say I love when companies provide you with stickers. So you get a sticker inside. Wipes, I don't want to open it just yet. Wipes are a care bag, basically, I guess, when you're setting up the helmet. This is what you'll use. USB-C to the headset itself, and then the regular, and it's a braided cable, so keep that in mind, braided cable. Then you got your 3M stick. Looks familiar to the Cardo Packtalk Edge, so I have to say I'm really impressed with that's the styling that they're going for. That's such a, I guess, fraction of a cost. So 3M to stick onto the side of your helmet. Let's take out these. Okay. 3.5 millimeter jack to go into, I believe these are 40 millimeter speakers. So see right there. Honestly, kind of like the branding on it, Max. They went all out for that portion, so that's good. Some additional 3M stickies, so in case you mess it up or want to reapply it, you can slap that back on there, so that's important. Here we go. Okay, if you guys can hear this. So it's a metal piece, so if you don't want to stick it to your helmet, you have the ability to, I guess, slide it onto the side and you're good to go for that. Ooh, all right. So ASMAX on the F1, I have not checked out the other one that they have. They're running the same, or not same, they're running their magnetic version. So click, go, taking off is just by flicking it there, sliding it forward. 3.5 millimeter adapter to plug in your headset or your speakers, and then for your mic. So let's take a look at the mics here. So in the bag or in the box, you get two. You get your single mic. I don't know the actual term for it, but single mic that you can stick on inside the helmet, place where you need to. Or if you run a modular helmet or something of that sort. This one I know the name of. You also have a boom mic, and honestly, it's strong. Let's see. Pop that there, hold it like that. Honestly, it holds its shape. I can't complain in regards to this. This is, I think, pretty solid. So hopefully that gets right there. That's the boom mic. Personally, I'm more of a fan of this bad boy here, just because I wear full face helmets, so it's easier. And then, I guess, other housekeeping things, you got your extra stickies and boom mic cover. Oh, a couple other speaker things. Let me check what these are for you guys. Okay, so these, I guess, I want to say they're fillers, or I guess they give you more space when you put the speaker inside your helmet, which I think is important, so I can't complain. So I guess if you don't have speaker cutouts, you'd stick this bad boy, and then it holds your speaker in place just like that. So, and everything, like I said, ooh, that's actually really grippy. So yeah, that's good. Stick those there. All right, okay. So now let's pull the ASMAX out. So this is premium. I'd like, you know, it's well in there. It's padded, all that good stuff. Quality. No harm in letting that drop. All right. So this is the ASMAX for you guys, and it's not bad. I actually like the styling of it. I'm just gonna turn it on here. That right there, that LED glow, I personally like that. From doing some research and reading about it and kind of reading through the manual, I know that you can customize this to certain colors. I think I did set a customization where it will either flash slow or blink to one of the many colors that it gives you, which I think is great. So right here, from what you can see, these are your volume buttons. A lot of it is just like the other intercom systems that you may have seen, where you can click to accept calls, and they work on their own intelligent intercom system. So I believe by saying "Hey Max" or "Hi Max," you can provide it with lots of commands. So let's put this back here for a sec. Oh, actually, let's turn this off. So hold for 3 seconds. Boom, just like that. That's off. So inside the book, you're gonna see. Its voice commands like "Hi Max, volume up," "Hi Max, volume down." You can answer, hang up, phone pairing. If you want a group mesh, group mode, free mode, previous track, next track. So I think that is really cool for an intercom system. I know Cardo or those other guys probably do it, or you can use your integrated Siri or Google or Bixby or whatever the circumstances. But at such a good price, I see no issue with the ASMAX F1 providing that kind of solid programming there. And kind of these are all the quick commands I guess you can pull off with it. Back to the ASMAX. So the magnetic mounting. So like I mentioned, like that is good. And then to slide it off, you'll pop that tab down. Ooh, I don't want to break it before I actually get on my helmet. Okay, there we go. So like I said, show you how nice that is. Like, boom, and then it just pops off. And like I said, it's just this little flick tab here. So you pop that tab, and whoops, down she goes. And I think that is beautiful. And on the back here, like mentioned, USB-C charging. So if you want to fast charging, you have another USB, and it has a high watts or watts. Feel free to pop that in. So yeah, that is the unboxing for the ASMAX. I'm gonna make a full video basically breaking down this, the setup, putting it inside the helmet. We'll do something for it. Right now I know it's just talking hands, but I'm highly impressed currently with the unboxing on this. So yeah, if you're looking for something new and affordable, I'll put the link in the bio, or not the bio. I'll put the link down in the description for you guys. Yeah, peace.